Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asep Chaudhary. Today date is 29th December 2021 and today's topic name is Collection Framework in Java. So in this video we will discussing about the what is a collection framework in Java, interfaces and classes in the collection framework and methods used in the collection framework. So let's start with what is a collection framework in Java. So in Java, collection is a framework that represents the architecture to manipulate and sort the given object. Given object, it is called as the collection frameworks. It means it in collection framework there are multiple objects which act like data, and we can perform same operations that we will perform on the data like sorting, insertion, delete, manipulation, etc. So what is a collection framework in Java? Collection framework is a unit divided the architecture which provide the interfaces and the class, and by using this class and interfaces we can create the object and perform the multiple operations like sorting, insertion, manipulation, etc. So what are the interfaces in the collection frameworks? Interfaces are the iterator, collection, list, queue, dequeue, and the set. These are the interfaces which are used in the collection framework, and the classes used in the collection frameworks which are the array list, linked list, vector, stack, priority queue, dequeue, hash set, linked hash set, tree set. These are the classes which are used in the collection framework. So let's discuss the which interface implement the which interface in one by one. So let's start. First, iterator interface will be implemented in the collection interface, and collection interface which will be implemented in the three interfaces which are the list interface, queue interface, and next one is the set interface. So this list interface will be implemented in the three classes which are the array list class, next one is the linked list class, and next one is a vector. And vector class extended in the stack class. So next interface is the queue interface, and queue interface is implemented in the priority queue class, and it is also implemented in the interface which is dequeue, and dequeue interface is the implemented in the array dequeue. So next is a set interface. So in set interface is implemented in the hash set class, and also implemented in the linked hash set class, and which is also implemented in the tree set class. So these all are the implementations of the interfaces, and these interfaces are implemented in which classes. So next we will discussing about the methods used in the collection framework in Java. So there are multiple methods which are used to perform the specific task like sorting, insertion, manipulation, delete, etc. So let's discuss first method which is the add method. So by using this add method we can add the object this by using this add method. Next method is empty method. Empty method is return the boolean value which are the true or false. It means if this collection is empty, then it will returns the true value, otherwise it will return the false value. Next one is the Size method return the size of the collection, and another method is the contains method also return the boolean value which will be the true or false. Means if this given object is contained in the collection, then this method will be contain returns the true value, otherwise it will return the false value. This is all about the collection framework in Java. Thank you.